Okay, I'm recording now. So this is the gateway of India. Okay, nice. Thank you. I don't think I'm gonna wear it because it's gonna fall off again. Just carry it. Okay, explain what
So what do you think why this gate was made?
Huh?
What do you think why this gate was made?
I don't know. Yeah, go ahead, explain it.
Because this is the gateway of India made for King George V
Uh-huh.
and Queen Mary.
Ah.
But if they were in India, the gate wasn't made, so they just laid a stone and made a plaster of Paris.
Okay.
Yeah. And
Okay.
about this, you know about this Taj Hotel?
Yeah. Go ahead, explain this.
Yeah. What do you know about Taj Hotel?
That's the 2008 attack. That's all.
That's all.
Yeah, that's all I know.
The owner of this hotel is a Tata company. You know about?
Oh yeah. The rich guy. Yeah.
Rich guy, Tata company.
Mixed cars. Yeah.
There was one guy in British time
Yeah.
named Jamshedji Tata.
Okay.
Yeah, the Tata owner.
Okay.
So he was going to some hotel at British time,
Uh-huh.
but there was a board. They don't allow to go him inside the hotel.
Okay.
They said that Indians and dogs are not allowed.
Oh.
So he was. This is the Indian ego.
This one. Huh?
Yeah.
That's why the terrorists attacked it.
Yeah. It was.
Okay.
He was very upset because they don't allow him to go inside. He
Yeah.
made this 5-star hotel,
Yeah.
and he never said that outsiders and no people are not allowed. All were allowed.
Everybody's welcome. Huh?
Everybody is welcome.
Ah.
Even the dog can go inside.
No discrimination.
No. Even the dog can go inside. If you will see inside, there are dogs roaming around.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, back to the gate.
They never stop dogs. So
Yeah.
you want to click the picture, I will click yours.
And so what's about this?
You are recording.
Yeah, I'm recording.
So this is the gateway of India,
Okay.
made for King George V
Okay.
and Queen Mary
And what's the purpose of this gate?
to welcome King George V and Queen Mary.
Inside.
Yeah.
Okay. It's a
But-
ship. Yeah.
Yeah. But they were in India at that time. The gate wasn't made. So they just laid a stone
Okay.
and made a plaster of Paris.
Okay.
Yeah. That's the reason to build this gate.
And what's this building here?
This is the old Taj.
Ah,
Old Taj Mahal.
this is replacing it.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I'll start recording. Go ahead.
In 2008,
Okay.
terrorists come in India.
Okay.
They first come to Fisherman Village at Badwar Pass.
Uh-huh.
They came there. They attacked Taj Hotel.
Right.
They attacked the Cafe Leopold.
Yeah, we're just over there.
Cafe Leopold.
Okay.
And they attacked the railway station, the famous railway station, Victoria Terminus.
Okay.
And they attacked the JT Hospital.
Oh.
And they killed almost 300 people.
And how many were the terrorists?
8.
Only 8, huh?
Only 8. And they have AK-47 with them.
But they were able to kill so many.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've actually fired the AK-47 in Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Yeah, you pay them, you get to rent a AK-47. That's in Saigon. They call it Ho Chi Minh City
The
now.
terrorists came from Pakistan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the rain is starting here. Let me wear this. Yeah, I know. So they landed. Where did they land? Over there, right?
Fisherman Village.
Fisherman
Yeah,
Village.
Badwar Park.
So fisherman, they walked all the way here or took a taxi.
You wanna see where the Fisherman Village is?
Ah,
Jamal store, Jamal.
Jamal Mir.
Go and have a look inside.
Okay,
You don't have to buy
a
anything.
quick one, yeah.
You can. They made all handmade crafts and all the things.
Uh-huh.
Here is one store near the gateway.
Yeah.
You want to see what they sell? It's
Not
more interesting thing.
yeah, not really. Good.
You want washroom?
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, this is all the handicraft. Yeah, I see. We're going to Fisherman Village. That's where the 2008 Mumbai terrorist initially landed. And the taxi meter is below. We reach Fisherman Village. Oh, we go around, we go around.
We are at now Fisherman Village. From here, the terrorist attack was held in 2008.
Okay,
The terrorists came from here by boat.
by boat.
They attacked 5 people inside the boat and they capture one boat, Indian fisher boat.
Okay.
This all area belong to the Koli people.
Mm.
They caught 5 Koli people and they just shoot him inside the boat. Yeah.
Okay.
And they came here. They just stopped the boat there. And they came here and they just go by walk, go to the Cafe Leopold,
Yeah.
then Taj Hotel, and then CST station, and that GT hospital. They attack all 4 places, and they bomb one taxi.
Okay.
Yeah, running taxi. They bombed it.
Grenade, yeah.
Grenade. They grenade one taxi, and they killed almost 300 people. Yeah. This is the place where the terrorists came from. This is the Fisherman Village.
Okay.
It's called Badwar Park.
Yeah, a lot of boats, huh? Yeah.
Now we will go by bus.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Where's the bus stop? Yeah. Go there. We're gonna take the bus to Victoria Terminus.
belong to the Koli people.
Uh-huh.
They earn money by fishing.
Oh. Okay, let's go. I got it. Yeah. All this. Thank you. Oh. Wait. Yeah, let's go up. Yes, go up. Let's go up. Man. Keep shaking.
Romantic place in Mumbai.
Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah.
It's called the Queen's Necklace. In night,
Yeah.
the street light.
And over there, there's Pramod Naval Corps. You get a good view of this, yeah. Okay, here. Victoria Terminus. Let's go. Sorry, sir. Wait. Okay.
People come here
Yeah.
and if they want to travel more, they can take the train.
Okay.
Yeah. You can go by train anywhere.
I only have one ear this side. Eh? Oh, by train, huh? Yeah.
Seeing this queue, all the lines, they are
Oh.
waiting for the bus.
Oh yeah, I see.
Don't worry anything.
Yeah, thank God.
You know everything.
So this got attacked, huh?
This place inside.
Oh, inside,
We
yeah.
will first look from outside. We will record.
Yeah.
Then we will go inside.
Okay,
Now we are at Victoria Terminus.
okay.
This place was built for Queen Victoria, but she never visited India. So they converted into railway station. And the name changed into Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, named after Indian king.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this place was a part of 2008 terrorist attack. They killed inside 200 people.
Wow.
They shoot them inside the station.
Majority who got killed was here.
Yeah. Inside. They were sleeping and they killed.
Yeah.
And this place was renamed in 1990 by Indian King Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. And this place was built in 1878 and completed in 1888. And there are 18 platforms inside the station. The 7 to go all around the local and 11 to go all around the India.
Okay.
Yeah. And you can see this building. This is the municipal corporation building, government building. That's it. This place was made for Queen Victoria, but she never visited.
Just across it.
Inside,
Yeah.
from inside.
There's a train here.
This is the Victoria terminus. They attacked here. The people were sleeping here.
Oh, that's why so many died.
Yeah.
All these passengers here.
And look at me.
This is the terminus. Where you, yeah, very good, yeah. Where you buy tickets. I like it. These are the trains in India.
Vikram.
Oh, it's called Vikram, huh?
Vikram.
Freight train of India. To check if the boats are available for Elephanta.